Mary, the next patient is here, Mr. Silva.
Okay, send him in, please.
He has a list, a long list.
A list of what?
Symptoms. He says he has 50 symptoms.
50?
Yes, he wrote them all on paper.
Okay, stay with me. I need help today.
Of course, doctor.
Mr. Silva, good morning. I see you have a list.
Yes, doctor. I have 50 symptoms. I want to tell you all of them.
I understand, but first tell me, what is your main problem today?
My head hurts every day.
Good, that is important. John, write that down.
Done. Headache every day.
Mr. Silva, we will look at your list, but we start with the most important problem. That helps us the most.
Oh, that makes sense. Thank you, doctor.
John, schedule more time for Mr. Silva next visit. We will review the full list.
Understood. I will do that now.
Good. One problem at a time. That is how we help.